might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space.
Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I'm doing the science project that Miss Parson told me to do. It is awesome! Daddy, look at it!
You feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel
I know!
happiness is the truth.
And it's turning all yellowy and liquidy.
What happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come
Hi, Miss Parson! Look what I'm doing! I'm doing some oobleck for my science project, and this.
I should probably warn you, I'll be
I'm
just
guessing it
fine.
feels really rough because I could feel that the
No
spoon
offense
is
to you, don't
like
waste your time.
crushing into it.
Here's why.
Like,
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel
There's
like a room
leftover
without a roof.
and
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
wow,
Clap
that is
along
so
if you
cool.
feel like
Like,
that's
I'm
what you want
touching
to
it.
do. Bring me down.
Wow,
Bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me
that is
down.
so cool. I feel like
Bring me down. I said.
very sticky and very rough. I can feel it through my nails.
Bring me down. Your love is
Who's
too
holding some oobleck? Thanks, Miss Parson! Hey, no! Hey guys, I'm playing with my father with black and no! I'm gonna put it on you! I'm gonna pour it on you. Oh no, my butt check, not my butt check.